Whether it's sciatica, tilted pelvis, round ligament pain, the list goes on and on while people are pregnant with the pains that they get. Cannot you be seen while you're pregnant? Will it hurt the baby? The answer is no. We got to change our technique around, right? So we're not going to do aggressive adjustments. We're going to do higher velocity adjustments. We're going to lighten it up a lot. Also, having this great table with us, we could pump this up. So when you want to lay on your belly will sit right up here. This table breaks away. It gives space for the belly to sit. A lot of pregnant women come in here and they actually love just laying here because it gives them a good traction and release within the spine. So give us a call. We'll take care of you. Have a great day, guys.